Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send yourself an anonymous tell on the Tellonym application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. And here at this section you can click on the send yourself an anonymous tell button or box, and then you should type in your message that will be anonymous. You can also set a timer, meaning that your tell will be sent at 5 minutes later. As you can see, you can also set it to 3 hours, 8 hours, and so on, but you can also set it to public. If you would like to, you can also edit it anytime you want to, and then click on the send button. So as you can see, you've got a tell, but since it is you who sent it anonymously, you can also share it to your Instagram, add a background to it. If you would like to, you can put it to your Snapchat story. So that's basically it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.